Right, next question is now when we have a QNH which is now lower than 1004. Okay, and this becomes important because we now are going to have to do something slightly different to solve the problem. So let me draw my diagram again. There we go. So famous for these diagrams. Here's our water, and there's our land. Okay, so that's land like that. Then we know our field is at 4,000 feet. So write it in, 4,000 feet. That's from there to there. Why from there to there? Because elevation is always measured from sea level. Then what else do we know? We know that the QNH is 1004. Okay, 1004. Now the question that you need to ask yourself is 1013 going to be above this or going to be below it? Okay, think about it a little bit. Okay, if you thought underneath, you are correct. Why? Because the lower you go, the more pressure increases. Okay, so we've got 1013 over there. Now, the question is asking us what is pressure altitude? Okay, so we need to figure out what the altitude or the distance is from there to there. We've got from here to here, showing us 4,000. So if we can figure out that difference, then we can take that, add that, and then we're going to get our answer of pressure altitude. So I'm going to show you this now quickly. So we've got 1004 and 1013, which is a difference of 9 hectopascals. Okay, times by how much? Remember, 1 hectopascal is equal to 30 feet. So means we're going to get an answer of 270. Okay, so there's our answer there, 270. So if we now have this distance, which is 270, and then this distance, which is 4,000, we can now add them together and we're going to get our answer. So we're going to take 4,000 plus 270, going to give us an answer of 4,270, and this is now pressure altitude. Cool, and that's how you would solve pressure altitude when your QNH is less than 1013.